When you hire a private investigator in a domestic situation, you're really doing it for two reasons. Number one is finding out what's going on, whether that's with a spouse, with the children, the family dynamic at all. You're trying just to understand what is happening. Many times we have an idea, and most clients do have an idea of what's happening, so we're confirming somebody's suspicions. The second reason you hire a private investigator is that, unfortunately, it is a Jones versus Jones system, and you need to be able to prove your evidence for a courtroom to get whatever relief you want, whether it's a divorce, whether it's possession of children, whether it's financial support. And so being able to do those two things are critically important in a divorce.
A family law investigation can be something as simple as a background check, which can lead to an online investigation or surveillance. And we continue from there and we stay the course to make sure we get all of the evidence that can really help our client.
Really, in a family law case, your whole life is on trial, whether that be what you do, how you spend your money, where you go after work, who you spend your time with, who you're bringing around your children. All of those things can play a part in the outcome of that case.
Domestic divorce and custody situations are dramatic. They're dramatic by nature. But when you get to a courtroom, a lot of that drama suddenly leaves. You're really in a legal proceeding. Part of the purpose of having an attorney-led investigation is that we understand what our investigators need to testify to. Many of these hearings are limited in time and scope. They're not very long. And so what we try to do is try to provide a summary of what has been found, what will be useful for the judge in making those critical decisions for you and your family.
No matter what the situation is, whether it's suspected adultery, substance abuse, child neglect or alienation, locating potentially hidden assets, no matter what, Bearden Investigative Agency is here to help you with your case.